Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. There is a new website on the internet that will allow you to earn $350 just by watching YouTube videos, and I will show you that website today. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $350 by watching YouTube videos. You probably spend a good amount of time every day just by watching YouTube videos. Well, after you watch this video, you will be able to earn money by doing it. It sounds amazing, right? You can work whatever you want. You can eat, sleep, work, or do anything and just leave the video going and earn on autopilot, or you can watch the videos that you are already watching and again earn money while doing it. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right, and you can start making money by just watching YouTube videos. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to Top 4 Earn, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on, and that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from these apps. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to open up YouTube and this fantastic website that will pay you to watch videos for free. And I will just leave it opened in the background and we will turn back to YouTube. Now when you come over to YouTube, you will need to find some videos that you are interested in watching and that this website will pay you for. Now I want to tell you that this website does not pay the same for every category of the videos from YouTube. There are obviously categories that they pay more for and that they pay less for. Make sure to keep watching this video until the end because I will show you what is the best paying category of the videos that this website is paying for, so you can earn double or even triple than the average person that is using this method. One of the best paying categories on YouTube are sports and gaming. To find those categories, you need to take a look here at the left hand side menu. There you can see some options that you can click on, and some of them are home, explore, shorts, and subscriptions. Here you need to click on the explore button. It will then send you to this page where you can see some trending videos and some categories of the videos above. You can see that there are trending music, gaming, and sports categories. You can choose whatever you want and watch whatever you enjoy watching, but I highly recommend you to choose gaming or sports category. I will click on the gaming category. For example, as you can see, here are hundreds if not thousands of videos that you can watch and you can make money with. Also, you can choose to watch videos from different games. So if you love Fortnite, you will probably choose to watch the video on Fortnite. Now, if you are not that type and you don't love these types of videos, you can search through thousands of videos through YouTube search and you can watch those videos. For example, if you like cats, you can try to find cat compilations or shirt cat videos on YouTube. Let's say, for example, that you want to watch shirt cat videos. Then you can search for example, a 1-minute cat video. When you hit enter or search, you will see that there are again thousands and thousands of videos that you can watch and that you can make money from. Let's say that you want to watch this video, so even though this is a very short video of just 1 minute, you will make $5 for watching this short video, which is amazing. Now when you have found the type of videos that you want to watch and to earn money from, you can return to this website called Goo. Again, this website will pay you just to watch videos on YouTube, and I am pretty sure that you are going to absolutely love this website. It says here, earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Then there is our exciting exciting new rewards program will give you coins for doing very easy things like typing out new games and answering quick survey questions. Our surveys and offer wall offers will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry, a huge 65 to 85%. Sign up now and see for yourself how much more you can earn with this website, and we will give you a $1 sign up bonus too. Now, before I show you how you can sign up for this website and start making money, immediately make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Now let's make some money. As you have seen, this website is offering one of the best opportunities in the entire internet. You can earn from this website in different ways alongside watching videos for money. They also offer writing surveys, playing games, and many other ways to make money. You can also take part in their referral program and earn money completely passively by earning a percentage from your friends, family, etc. All these ways are good, but this website is paying the most money for watching videos on YouTube, so that is why we will be focusing on that way of earning money with this website. Now, to sign up and to create an absolutely free account on this website, you need simply to go to the top of the homepage on this website, and all you need to do is to fill out this sign up box here. You need to write your name here, your email address. Under that, you need to choose your username. After that, you need to create a password, and the last step will be to choose your country. When you click on this box, you can see that there are literally all the countries from all over the world. So this method and this website are 100 available worldwide, and they are available in your country. After you fill out every part of the form, you just need to agree to terms and conditions that this website has, and you need to click on this big orange button that says sign up for GGTU, and then you will have your own account on this website, and you will be redirected to this page where it says welcome to GGTU. You can read this short message, and after you read it, by clicking this button, you will be able to log into your account and start earning money from playing games, taking surveys, and what is most important for us, watching videos. So when you click on this button, it will send you to this page where you will need to log in with your username and password that you just created, and when you log into your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard, and this is how it looks like. As you can see here, I have a $1 free bonus in my wallet, and I need only $6 more to cash out and withdraw my earnings. Now here you need to click on videos, and it will take you to this page where you need to scroll down, and you will be able to see the section where you can choose which videos you want to watch. Now I want to tell you that it will be the best to watch live videos if you want, because it is the best paying category. When you choose a category on this page, it will then take you to the video, and you will start earning money from it immediately just by watching YouTube videos. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like on this video and to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future money-making methods. Also, consider watching the videos from the screen. This top 4, and see you in the next video.